Heel. Well, good morning. It's a beautiful fall day and I got to run some errands, so I'm gonna get some paint, fix up the dog stall where Finn's been chewing the drywall. So I thought, who better to come with me than Finn himself. So Finn, you ready to go for a ride? You're a good boy. Still have some fall colors left. It's just killing magic that he can't come, but I want to work with Finn. Finn's been a little aggressive with dogs on walks, so I can't handle both of them as comfortably as I would like. So I am going to go downtown Hudson for a little bit and see how Finn does with other dogs, if I can get him to be a little more calm.
Don't want a goofy poodle with a pedigree, no whiny wimpy little pooch. Don't you see, a great big dog's the only one for me. Then I'll be doing alright. Well, I got him back when he was just a pup. Way back then I could pick him up. Now he barely fits into my pickup truck. Yeah, but he's doing alright. And it's a Great Dane, stand 6'5", feel his cold away.
Heel. Heel, stay. Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Oh, look at him.
Yeah. Free to say hello. Free pet.
Can I pet him? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what a big boy you are.
This is Finn.
I know, sweetie. You're so cute. It's like a horse. He's like a horse.
There'll be one at the end of the month.
Oh, really? He's a puppy?
Yeah, he's just a puppy.
Oh, wow. So he's gonna get bigger?
Okay. So now we're meeting a little dog. Heel, leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Good boy, leave it. Leave it. Hey, I'm trying to work with it. Leave it. Sit. Heel. No. Heel. Sit. And that was not perfect. When we're on a walk with both dogs, Finn is reacting to the dogs. Magic's just fine. Finn sets him off. We're gonna work on that. Are you walking by? Or are you going? Are you...
But he doesn't want to.
He's just slobbery, so you're fine. You're fine, just reach right in.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so soft.
Isn't he? He's still a bit of a puppy.
This is a puppy?
He's 11 months old. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, you're dressed too nice to get any closer though.
Okay.
The black and all that.
Oh my goodness, he's beautiful.
Good. You know what everyone says to me? Leave it. Watch out. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy, leave it. You can say hi. Or not. Leave it. That's what we're working on.
Yeah.
Want to say hi?
It's so beautiful.
Do you want to pet him?
Yes.
Go ahead.
It's so beautiful. I know. You're trying to sit
Stay.
still.
That's your risk
That's all
factor.
right. We had I went to
Such a great
Colorado
sunny
with
day.
my husband, and the place we stayed had a Great Dane.
Play.
Okay, so this is our vet here at the Hudson Veterinary Hospital, and while we board at the Twinsburg Pet Lodge, this is where Finn and Magic get all their vet work. It's where they've done work on all of my Danes, all 5 of them actually. Dr. Bob Roberts does an amazing job, and they really love Magic and Finn here, and they just do a super job. All right, Finn, get in the car. Let's go, come on. Get up there. Good boy. Hey, so that's gonna do it. Just a walk around town and pick up some paint to work on the dog room. And hopefully we'll keep making progress with Finn and how he reacts to other dogs on walks. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching, subscribe, tell a friend, and have a great day.
Play with your, get that, play with your, get that, play with your, get that, play with your, play with your.